The latest on COVID-19 in Illinois, the average number of new cases continues to decline.
State health officials reporting 6,700 new confirmed and probable cases, along with 135 additional deaths. The case positivity rate is now at 7.5%. The number of people hospitalized with COVID has increased just slightly in the last few days, but 1,500 fewer people are in the hospital now than just before Thanksgiving. And despite the improving COVID numbers here in Illinois, Governor Pritzker reaffirmed today that he will not consider easing restrictions until sometime in January.
WGN's Tanya Francisco joins us now with more. Tanya?
Ben and Lourdes, the governor says he doesn't want to yo-yo between Tier 2 and Tier 3 mitigations because he anticipates a surge in cases after the holidays. So for now, restrictions will stay as is. But when it comes to COVID-19 vaccinations, Illinois is way out in front.
Well, good afternoon, everyone.
A proud Governor Pritzker announced as of last night, Illinois, including the city of Chicago, has administered nearly 101,000 vaccine doses to frontline healthcare workers.
Yay. That's more than any other state in the nation so far. That's a product of the hard work and deliberate process of Illinois' IDPH.
The achievement comes as the state and the city of Chicago have started receiving more than 200,000 doses of the newly approved Moderna vaccine and tens of thousands more of its next allotment of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. As of now, healthcare workers and long-term care facility residents are still first in line to be vaccinated. They are expected to be followed by essential frontline workers and adults with high-risk medical conditions and those over 65. IDPH guidelines call for workers in industries and occupations important to the functioning of society and people with moderate comorbidities to be next, followed by children if a pediatric vaccine is approved, and young adults. Finally, the entire population.
Hi, everybody. How are you?
This morning, Cardinal Blaise Cupich rolled up his sleeve along with other Chicago area pastors to receive the vaccine at St. Anthony's Hospital in Chicago to set an example for others.
We want to make sure that people are encouraged to become vaccinated, but also to have confidence in it and to realize that being vaccinated, as the Holy Father has told us, is an opportunity for us to be supportive of the common good.
Today, the governor also announced that an independent review panel put together by the state has evaluated all the available information for both the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccine, and it has unanimously endorsed their use.